Welcome to Makers Group, your ultimate guide to mastering Arduino programming from scratch. We're here to ignite your passion for technology and coding, transforming you into a proficient Arduino programmer. Our mission is to provide you with comprehensive tutorials that will take you from novice to expert, all while fostering an environment of learning and creativity. From understanding the basics to executing complex projects, we've got you covered. So, gear up and stay tuned to embark on this exciting journey with us. This comprehensive course covers a wide range of topics, from the basics of Arduino and electronics to advanced topics. We start with the fundamentals, introducing you to the world of Arduino, its components, and the principles of electronics that bring it all together. As we progress, we delve deeper into the intricacies of Arduino, exploring sensor integration and understanding how to communicate between devices. Not just theory, we'll also walk you through the practical aspects of programming in Arduino, showing you how to write code, debug, and optimize your programs. And because we believe in learning by doing, we'll be simulating our projects using Proteus software, giving you a real-world feel of how your code interacts with hardware. We'll also touch upon advanced topics like wireless communication protocols, ensuring you're well-versed with the latest trends in the industry. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to bring your Arduino projects to life. But learning isn't just about theory, it's also about getting your hands dirty with real hardware. In this course, we'll delve deep into the practical aspects of Arduino programming. You'll experience the thrill of connecting and testing components, seeing your code come to life in real-world projects. We'll work with not just simulated environments, but also actual tangible hardware. As we move through this journey, you'll see a variety of Arduino projects come to life, from simple LED light sequences to more complex systems. These showcases are designed to fuel your creativity, to inspire you to think beyond the conventional and invent something truly unique. We'll explore a myriad of applications, from smart home systems and robotics to the Internet of Things. No matter your interest, this course is your stepping stone into the vast, exciting world of Arduino programming. Whether you're interested in building smart home systems, robotics, or IoT applications, this course will guide you every step of the way. Ready to unlock your potential as a professional Arduino programmer? Don't hesitate, the world of Arduino programming awaits you. Join us on this educational journey where your ideas will take physical form. Be part of our community where curiosity meets creativity. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to keep up with our latest tutorials and project showcases. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and join us on this educational journey. Let's turn your ideas into reality together.